All right, guys, I'm betting you that you never thought that you were gonna be watching a video about a crate when shopping for your personalized custom poker table. However, here at BBO, we have to think about the entire life cycle, the life experience of our customer. And one of the biggest pains, and it hurts me so much, is we take all this time and we create an amazing custom table only to have it damaged by negligent carriers. We've seen that previously in our past. So a couple years ago, we started developing our BBO Crate. So now let me show you around the features of this crate. Every order, BBO poker table order, will have the table completely finished and shipped to you in this crate. The accessories, the legs and stuff will pile on top of the crate. Talking about how to open this up when you receive it, there will be 2 screws that permanently close the lid. So when you get it, make sure you have a screwdriver, or better yet, a drill. All right, loosen these guys out, and then all that is left is 10 of these heavy duty locks here, latches here, all right, that you basically unlatch and start playing. What we've seen after we've implemented our crate is that actually our freight damage rates have dropped below, like significantly below, like 0.05%. Right, so the crate has done its job. It's something that we're really proud of, and that's also kind of unique to us. And I would be remiss if I did not show you guys to move it around. We've got some handles here for you. Right, so a lot of consideration inside the crate. This is what you'll be experiencing. So there's a video about a crate when you're shopping for your poker table. Thank you.